had to go back and finish out my work day and then come back here again and just to see how things were going here. And what I find interesting is the squirrels were very resourceful today. I don't remember as being here. I know it wasn't here yesterday. I don't know if it was here. I'm trying to remember when I came here today. Noon? I did not notice it here. You would think I would have noticed that. So I don't know if the squirrels dug this out, and they're finding nuts down there. So they have found a reserve source. They went into the... Guess who this is? Guess who this is? Hey, Mr. Brown Feet. And I've seen multiple squirrels going in there and pulling nuts out. Let's see if this one does. So yeah, somebody invested their 401k down here, and somebody found it. Now they're all feasting off of it. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Come here, you got it. There you go. There you go. That's Jumper. Jumper comes up front. Jumper is so playful. This has got to be a young squirrel. It's just, I don't know what else to say. That one's so playful. That's the one that climbs the fence and everything. I have bare legs, and we had a little, I think I felt that. Thanks though, I did have some mosquito bites. You can see mosquito bites. I am allergic, so yeah, it's bad when things like that happen, but no scratches, so that's good. That squirrel that was over there is vying with the groundhog for the hole. She doesn't want to give it up. I wonder if the groundhog stored those nuts. Look at her. I didn't think the groundhog stored nuts. So maybe that's what happened, is the groundhog dug, that would make sense, because I'm like, how did they dig that hole so fast? So I think the groundhog dug the hole, maybe also stored the nuts in there, and then this squirrel found the nuts and went, oh no, those are mine, and the groundhog's like, oh no, these are mine. The power finally goes back on from the last rainstorm, like more stars. There's Supergirl. Hey Supergirl, good to see you, hon. Okay, everyone. Everyone be stealthy. Get to somewhere good. The chipmunk got the place back from the groundhog somehow. Either that or the groundhog's in there even farther, but I don't think that would be the case. There you go, little wet squirrel. She thinks it's hers. The groundhog thinks it's his. I wonder who's going to win. Where did the groundhog go while you're doing that? And are you stealing the groundhog's food? What's going on there? Wish I could put a little GoPro on this guy and see how deep this goes. Hey, it's Hot Blonde. Hey, Hot Blonde. Haven't seen her since the whole thing started. The power outage. Oh, don't worry. It'll go out again. Maybe today. It's raining, but Sally's got her light back. Her bug light. Hurricane Sally. Waiting for some bugs to come her way. Maybe take a dip in the pool when Amy's not looking. Do you ever come out of your cave? I should put a camera, one of my cameras here. That's what I'm gonna do.